She got the little booty, ooh, ooh. That counts. Look, my husband made me a cake. Look at the cake that my beautiful husband made me. My loving, devoted husband. I mean, isn't this a work of art? It's kind of got this nice tilt to it. No, boo, it's the thought that counts. I'm sure it's delicious. I am sure it is delicious. So it's brandy, orange.
Cherries. No, brandy cherries. Yeah, with a marshmallow cream.
Oh, that's marshmallow?
Yeah, the white, that's marshmallow cream.
Okay.
Chocolate and yellow cake. So it's gluten-free, so it's all gluten-free.
I mean, you did this all by yourself without Kareem helping you decorate?
That's what it looks like that.
Here goes the magic slice. Ooh, look at that. You did good, boo. Ooh, look at the slice, y'all. It looks better when you cut it. What? Boo, I think you get an A+. We're not supposed to feed each other?
I'll give you something to eat tonight.
Boo! He's so... Lord. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. Not bad, Kenton.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low.
So y'all, I was genuinely surprised when I got up. This was actually filmed before the cake clips that I showed you previously. And you might have seen this on a shorts that I posted here on YouTube. So yeah, this was our wedding anniversary, 30 years of marriage. And I wasn't really expecting anything. Not at all. We always forget to celebrate. So this was a very pleasant surprise from my best friend ever. Like I said before, being married for a long time is work. It is definitely work. You have to be very intentional with your desire to be with this person because they're flawed, you're flawed. But hopefully together you're with the person that has the right kind of flaws that you can tolerate, right? He trusts me, I trust him. We try to be genuinely good people to each other. And, you know, you just can't be upset about every little thing. Some things are just petty. And after being married for so long, we try not to let everything bother us. Anyway, look at my beautiful ring, y'all. Apparently, 30 years of marriage, you get pearls, or that's the traditional gift after 30 years. So you did good, Kenton. I hope we will be married for many, many more years to come. And I look forward to our children getting married one day.
My son is studying pulmonology. He's so disciplined, even on his break. But that's because, I guess, on Tuesday, in about, how many days is that? 3-4 days? 4 days?
Sunday, so.
Yeah, all right. So there you go. In a few days, he gets tested.
New Year's Eve, we decided this was going to be a casual get-together, lots of finger food, nothing formal. We're all in the kitchen, but guess who shows up overdressed?
Razzled. I thought the dressing up was for tomorrow.
No, the dressing up is the night before, into the bringing in the new year.
Oh yeah, shoes are new?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh, actually the camera picks it up. Ooh.
So it's, you know, it's not dirty.
Ooh, we're not dressed, but Nana sure is. Christmas Eve? No, New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
Bring in the new year with style.
Mm-hmm. What's she watching?
Bad Grandpa.
Oh. Let me see, Nana. Stand up. Let me see you. Let's see you by the tree. What? Shining, shining. Shining, shining. Let's see. The fashion bloggers, what they do is they go, the necklace is from so-and-so. The earrings are so-and-so. So where's the jewelry from?
The jewelry is Macy's.
Okay, Macy's. Not bad.
And this was Macy's.
Okay, nice. And the shoes?
The shoes was Temu.
Oh my goodness, Timu. So she put high end with low end. Here you go. And are they comfortable?
Very.
Really?
Very. They're soft on the inside.
Wow, really?
Very comfortable.
Let me see, pull up the dress a little. Okay.
They're literally boots. Short
Yeah, never know. Timu. This has been the year of Timu this year, 2023.
Right.
Look at the little booty. She got the little booty. Ooh. All right, let me stop messing around with my mother and get back to the kitchen. So what we doing? We got some cornbread. I was just craving cornbread because it's one of those things I can't eat out because they usually put wheat flour in it. So this has no wheat flour in it. We also got some chicken wings that have been well seasoned, you guys, well seasoned. And we're going to fry it up. Fry it up. Now, I know if you're trying to be healthy, you should stay away from fried foods, but I don't do this often, okay? So this chicken has been seasoned overnight, and then I coat it with cornstarch. So cornstarch and a little bit of rice flour. That gives it a very crispy outer layer without the heavy wheat flour. Here, Mariam is helping me with the filling for the spinach and cheese triangles, also called spanakopita, I think, in Greek. And yeah, let's finish up the chicken wings, and then we're gonna fold the spinach filling in some phyllo dough. So the phyllo dough is not gluten-free, but I'm doing this for the rest of the family. And yeah, it's pretty easy. It's one of those like recipes you should definitely have on hand when you have company because it's quick, it's easy, and super tasty. Typically, the filling is made with some feta cheese and spinach that has been sauteed with some onions. Or you can also use cream cheese. But what's funny is that Mariam loves this stuff, but it exacerbates her eczema. So you'll probably see some red patches on her arms. This here is the filling for some beef pies or a cross between Jamaican beef patties and Indian samosas. You'll see. And then I finally have the cornbread out of the oven. If you could smell it. It's got a touch of sweetness, and I am lathering it with Irish butter. Lathering it. Yes, a little indulgent, but ooh, so good. You don't have to eat a lot. Just have a little piece. And remember, I have a lot of children here. They'll eat this for leftovers as well. All right, so the filling is done. As you can see, it has a little bit of potato in it, and I'm having Kenton help me mince the meat. So you can do it like this to get that texture of beef patties. We want it not as coarse, okay? Here we go. I am putting it in the pastry, and then I'm gonna cut it in shape. So this is how it looked initially, but you'll see when it's done. So it's kind of like a Jamaican beef patty, but not really because I cheated and I'm using store-bought puff pastry, store-bought puff pastry. So it comes out really nice and it cooks quickly. These are the triangles, the spinach and cheese triangles. And yeah, everything is all done, I believe, all done. So it's time to eat. Come, boys, come. So, yeah. Yeah, those beef patties. I made those while you were here. Right. So, yeah, the beef patties, spinach and cheese. Kenton had some Franks here with cheese. These are the wings you brought. You just rebake them.
I already had
Sauce on them? Yeah, Buddha. Too much. These are the wings I made. All right, and then vegetables. And then vegetables. Oh yeah? All right, Mother, which one you want? Pear cider or peach cider?
Okay. We all look ridiculous. It's New Year for the house.
With my giant hoop earrings. Happy New Year! Oh Lord, come grab a glass. They're different flavors. The dark one's peach, the light one's pear. You're alive and well.
2024. I remember thinking, oh my God.
Who's talking? Oh no! 45, 44, 34, 31, 30, 28,
22, 63.
8, 7, 6, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Clink, 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 clink.
Happy New Year. All that time.
Clink.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year! There's a song that way, right? We're still alive! We're still alive! Stop spreading the news. We're singing New York.
Well, you have
We'll
to
go closer. Okay,
you're
you're right.
supposed to do this.
Come on, Link. Come on. Come on, Boo Boo.
Top of the heat.
Look at Kalita, Abby. You're too serious, man. Life is short.
I'm sure.
What you doing? New York, New York. New. There you go.
Been on Broadway.
Happy New Year 2024! We made it! New York! Hey! Fingers not in it.
Very thin slice of Eva.
Right. I'm gonna put it on this one so I can warm it up, but I'll warm up 2 slices. This is Nana's.
That's way too much.
Yeah, it's a thin slice of cake. It's a tiny slice.
Khalid goes back to his apartment today and starts back at medical school, but not before we take some pictures as a family. And it's a lot trying to get all of us together while being in the picture as well.
Let me go in between you guys. Where I'm not so forward. Why is it fuzzy? Let's go to portrait. Khalid, move forward. All right, let me have you sit there. One person sit, one person stand. One person sit, one person stand. Cheese.
All right, let's see if the word
Okay, cheese. What? The candles? Vaguely. All right, Murray, tilt your head slightly downish, just a little. Yeah, not too much, not too strangely. Your hands are all doing different. Daddy, put your hands like Miriam and your sons. Okay, Kareem, you too. You too, Kareem. Right. Thank you. Smile, cheese. Okay, it's coming. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. 10, 3, 4. Then take one with, just Miriam and her brothers. We'll do that too. All right, cheese. No, you don't have to do all these. It's just 3, 2, 1, smile.
You may have noticed the giant clips on the back of my dress. Those are clips in place because I needed the dress to have a little bit more shape. It's a little bit too big for me and I didn't have time to go to the seamstress. So, you gotta make it work. Anything to take a good picture. Make it work.
Hopefully that thing's not stabbing you. Okay. All right, face, look at the camera. Cheese. Kareem, stay in.
I feel like I should be able to.
All right, 10, 9, 8. Cheese.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner.
Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Appreciate you, every one of you, my dear YouTube family from wherever you're watching us from. I hope this is going to be a prosperous year for you and your family and also for us and this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. We really appreciate all of you. Thanks for all the wonderful comments and I can't wait to share more happy, inspiring content with you. Bye!